Hello, my name is Oscar Gutierrez. I am a student of electronic engineering of activity guide and evaluation rubric unit 2, task 4 oral productions, step 5. Let's talk about keeping the environment final product. In the step, you must record a tutorial video guiding the step final product of how to help the environment. You can choose one of these options for your video. Ways to save water. Turn off faucets, repair leaks, and reuse water. How to reuse things in your house. Recycle, use reusable containers, and donate objects. How to save energy. Turn off lights, use efficient appliances, and renewable energy. D. Step by step of doing a compass. Separate organic waste and create your own compost. E. How to transport ecologically. Use public transportation, charge a car, or use a bicycle. Thank you for your attention.